What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur. In today's video, I want to talk to you about what are the best online business opportunities for you. Now, this video is going to be short. It's going to be very different from what I normally do. I normally like to teach. This video, I want to answer that one question. What are the best online business opportunities for you? Now, there's two different businesses out there. I know there's a lot more, but just hear me out. Okay, there's passive income and there's active income. Okay, active obviously is more active. You have to put in the work. You're doing it every single day to make that income. With passive income, it's more passive. You do it one time. You maybe do a little bit of work here and there, but you continue to get paid. Here's what I want to explain to you. Active income is great, but you are not going to become a billionaire, a millionaire maybe not even, through active income. Unless you're playing basketball or soccer or baseball, it's probably not going to happen very quickly. It's not going to happen overnight. Now with passive income, you can do the work, you can do it one time, and you just maybe update it here and there, but it continues to brings in, and it brings in a little bit of income every single month, such as real estate. Real estate is a great example of passive income. You invest your time and money into this property, and then every single month, if you rent it out, you get paid, X amount of dollars, okay? And that's a great passive income example. A great active income example is you go to your 9 to 5 job, you work from 9 in the morning till 5 o'clock at night, and you get paid every single week. That is active income. You have to go in and put in those 40 hours every single week to get paid whatever it is you get paid per hour. Without that, you won't make any money. Now, here's what I want you to understand. Now, I like to do both. I probably have about 90% is passive income and 10% is active income. Okay? And I like to keep it that way simply because if you're doing all passive income, for me personally, I would get a little bit I'd get a little bit hesitant to do new things. I think I would be I'd kind of plateau. So I do have some active income. My passive income streams. Here's what I want to explain, and here's what I want you to take away from this video. My passive income streams is pretty much everything online. I do have real estate, obviously, but it's mostly stuff online. I like to build websites and promote different affiliate offers. Okay, I create online courses. I set up landing pages. I run ads to those pages, and I collect emails, and I target those people through email, and that does extremely well. Okay, I set it up one time, and I'm pretty much done. YouTube videos, it's a little bit more active. However, once I create this video, for example, this one right here, if I were to promote like Dollar Shave Club and go get the razor or whatever, like so many other people do, if people started to go and buy that razor, 2 people every single month, I may make $5 at the end of the month. It's not a lot, but when you think about it, $5, if you can do this, and you can replicate that exact same thing, you'll start making a lot more money. Here's what I do differently than most people. Most people that start trying to make a passive income, they go after things that they are not entirely sure about. What I like to do is I like to go and promote products I use. For example, ClickFunnels, Builderall, TubeBuddy. Those are just 3 of the things I use. Jungle Scout. I have apps I use. There's Mile IQ. There's different phone services. I promote Amazon products. I promote ConvertKit, Aweber. I promote a lot of stuff that you pay a monthly fee, a monthly subscription for this. And because you're, as a customer, you're paying this monthly subscription, I get paid a small commission from that. So for example, let's say ClickFunnels. If someone buys in at the $97 price point, I make $38, I think it's like $38.80 every single month that they're a member. And that works out extremely well because if you have 100 members, you're making almost $4,000. That's great income. Now, same thing with something like ConvertKit, or now it's called Siva. But if somebody opts into the very starter package at $29, I make like $8.80 or something like that. So if there's 100 people that I have, I'll make almost $900 from that. That's not a huge income, but it's also something that it's residual. Every single month, as long as they're a member, you're going to make that money. Okay? Like I said, this video is not about teaching you a whole new skill set or something like that. It's about answering that one question: is what is the best online business opportunity for you? Okay, in my opinion, if you want to reach that millionaire status, if you want to reach that, I'm working 2 hours a week, the 4-hour work week. If you want to get there, you need to start implementing these passive income streams. Don't go all after the active. Don't go and try to go 100%. I'm going to sell stuff on eBay and Craigslist and do all that. That's great. You can do that and you can make a lot of money, but take that money and invest into your passive income streams. Create websites, create landing pages, create sales funnels. Create a way for you to make money without you actually having to do all the work. All right? So, I know this video didn't answer all your questions, but I want to get you thinking. I want to get those wheels turning, and for you to come up with a new business idea, something that is different than what you have right now, something that you can start to market and promote and really build an audience behind it, so that you can start making a passive income every single month. Because even if you're only making $100, $200, maybe $1,000 in passive income every single month, that's more than you have right now. All right, so get out there, start making that money. But the last thing I just want to say is hit that thumbs up button. I'll start putting up some more videos here on YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.